Temperature of 81 degrees, a heat index of 86. I mean, that's pretty scary there, right? We're looking at a heat index before the sun even comes up. DFW Airport, clear sky, 81, 86 degrees is what it feels like. Oak at a low count, grasses today at a moderate, fungus at a low count. Today's high temperature, 96 degrees in Dallas, 95 for Fort Worth, Denton, and in McKinney, 94 in Waxahachie. Factor in the humidity, it'll feel like the triple digits again, just like it did yesterday. It'll feel like 101 in Dallas, 102 in Fort Worth, Denton. It'll feel like 104 in McKinney. A lot of locations feeling like the triple digits today, all thanks to this ridge of high pressure. It's what we call the heat dome. Anytime the heat dome moves over Texas, it's going to limit any thunderstorm production because we have sinking air directly underneath it. High pressure is also responsible for making those temperatures go up. So that's why we have the heat and the humidity building and the little to no rain in the forecast, at least through the weekend. So let's talk a little bit more about those numbers. The next several days will be in the mid-90s, 96 today, 94 on Saturday, 95 Sunday, but 96 Monday and 95 Tuesday. We're staying right around those mid-90s, which is 1 to 3 degrees warmer than what's considered normal for this time of the year. We're not too far off. Factor in the humidity that is brought on by the southerly wind, helping bring in moisture from the Gulf. And it's going to feel like this every afternoon, close to about 100 degrees. The highest number I have there is actually on Saturday with a high of 94, but it feels like temperature of 102. And why we look at the heat index, it's the temperature that we feel because our bodies do not cool down as quickly whenever the humidity is high. So super important to pay attention to that number. But mid-90s and sunshine, winds out of the south, at least for the next 7 days. That second row taking us into July. And I have mid-90s in the forecast as well. You know, generally first day of July is when we see our first triple-digit heat day on average. But as of now, I have none in the forecast, just how I like it. All right, Brianda, how are the roads looking?